hello, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm holding it back. Yes, this is your girl again. Yes, today we are doing just some little go through makeup for beginners, what you should have in your bag. Oh yes, so before I proceed, if you haven't yet subscribe, comment, share, and ring the notification bell so you get notification as soon as I post a video. You'll be the first to see it, baby girl. You, yes, my sister, you. You'll be the first to see it. Yes, I'm really having fun. Hope you as well. I've had few messages to do like to make this video a kit for beginners, what you should have in your bag. So as you can see, this is not a big bag, you see, it's a small bag, yeah, and it's enough for what you need. Trust me, we're gonna go through it, and I'm going to try my best and put in the description box a few things you can get from AliExpress for very affordable price. Okay, and you can buy it from there. I mean, order it from there, and yeah, it shouldn't cost you that much, especially when it comes to brushes. If you're starting and you're not really handy with makeup, you don't need to spend too much when it comes to makeup. Okay, so yes, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. First of all, primer, yes, makeup primer. That's a good job. Okay, and it's baby skin, new baby skin from Maybelline, New York. Okay, you can get it from there. Yes, my pencil. So this is the MUA again. That's what I use, and that's what you're gonna see every day. If you want, come for me. But listen, I can still look glum, nice, beautiful, and but it's affordable. Okay, I don't need to spend pounds on MAC just to buy a pencil. You feel me? When I can get one for £1.50 now, and it does the same job. This pencil, brown pencil. So according to your skin, you may go for a light brown, medium brown, or dark brown. So the darker you are, of course, the darker one you want, because you want them to see your eyebrow pencil. What do you need next for your eyebrows? Concealer. Yes, so concealer, this Makeup Revolution again, you can get it from Superdry as well. I think it's £4. I'll look for the price and link it down below. So yeah, you need this, and also you choose this according to your skin tone. So if you're dark skin, you want to go for something more closer, normally it should be one tone up from your normal skin foundation or your skin color, so that it will pop and they will see it. Or you can go crazy as you want, mate. Nobody will tell you nothing as long as you know how to work it. But if you're starting, I don't recommend you go for that pale white color. Yeah, go for something darker, closer to your skin, just maybe one shade lighter than your skin color, so it's not gonna be so exaggerated when you have it on, right? Okay, so yeah, you will need this to contour your pencil when you do your eyebrow. So next, you need a brush. One of these brushes for your contouring your eyebrows. So I'm gonna put a link down below, and it has this brushes set. You basically have everything inside, okay? And I think it's £2 or something. So for beginners, it's perfect, okay? This is affordable, and you have everything in there. So you've got this. This will be for blending your eyeshadow, okay? For blending. This also for blending, contouring, okay? You can use it for your contouring. This one you can use it for your contouring as well. And this as well, you can use it for applying your foundation, okay? This is for you to brush your eyebrows. Contour this, you can use it for contouring your cheek. So you use it like that. Foundation brush, You need something that is thick. Powder brush, another powder brush. So you've got foundation and 2 powder brushes. You need your pencil. Basic black pencil is important. And then you need an eyeliner. You need an eyeliner. You need a mascara. Lip gloss. Oh, listen, lip gloss is key, okay? You need as many as you want. Lip glosses. I have plenty. If I say plenty lip glosses, I have plenty lip glosses. This is from Makeup Revolution. Okay, Makeup Revolution, this one. Makeup Revolution. So let's come to palette, eyeshadow palette. So this is what you need, eyeshadow palette. You need something neutral, okay? Neutral, okay? So I know this is light, bright colors, but also it has a lot of neutral colors, especially for our skin tone, which is good. So when you're going for a palette, you can use this for transition, and then you can use this or use that, or use this, use that, and it shouldn't be too much on you if you don't know how to blend. But if you have the blushes, just try blend it. You feel me? Blend your eyeshadow. When it comes to foundation, normally I'll mix 2. Okay, I'll mix 2 foundation. One a bit darker, one exactly my skin tone or near my skin, okay? Or both of them, they are kind of my skin tone, but I mix them together so I can get a full coverage and a perfect match of my skin. Yes, a perfect match of my skin. I feel like just one does not do the job. Yeah, just one foundation does not do the job. This foundation is my everyday go. Okay, I've got 2 of these. I've got the 60 and this is the 364. And I normally mix them 2. I'm ready to go. Okay, color what suits your skin. If you go there, you see different colors. Get to the one you think is for your skin and the one you think it might be a little darker for you or lighter for you. You get it, okay? For me, it works for me. When it comes to contouring, you can use your Makeup Revolution, the same one you use for your eyebrows. That is fine. And then you need 2 powders, 1 lighter, 1 darker. Okay, so this is the Sasha powder, and this is from Morphe. Okay, Morphe and Sasha. After that, I've got a bronzer, which is NYX. And then the MAC highlighter. This is the deep gold. No, this is the gold deposit. Yeah, that's an amazing job. I love it, and it lasts for a long time. You know, I've had it for some time now. So basically, that is it. And if you like, of course, lashes, go for them. The lashes change the whole look. It gives you more glam look. It defines your eyes more. It's nice, but for my everyday look, I really don't like to go for lashes because I can't. I get bored of it, and I'm like, I just want to take it off. But yo, don't forget, gloss is the key. Okay, it's the key to all you're doing. Lashes, gloss, highlighter is the key. Okay, and of course you can use this it's a fan for your highlighter, okay? You can also use this one, it's no problem. Finish up, fix spray. Then you need a fix spray. All you need, baby girl. Thank you for watching, and subscribe, comment, and share with your friends and family. Thank you.